All right, sixth graders. So we are continuing right along in our lesson, chapter 8. And we're going to be looking at a situation here where it says draw the polygon with the given vertices in a coordinate plane. So we have three different uh, things that I want you to look at here. Um, Three different polygons. Here we have a uh, 3 points, 4 points, 5 points. Now, of course, 3 points means three sides, 4 points means four sides, 5 points means five sides. So, what we're going to do, and we're going to do things a little bit differently here. This is not going to be ideal, but I only have two boards here. So, we're going to actually be making all of the points on this same board. And what we're going to do is when it's time for a new figure, we're going to just start using a different color. And that's kind of how we're going to make this work here today. So I need to have my other colors ready. All right. And it'll be a beautiful thing, really. So let's look at the first one. Which says point A is at 1/2 2. So we come to our thing. We're going to be 1/2 to the right and then up 2. So 1/2 2. And that's going to be point A. And it says, well, point B is at -5 5. So this is all reviewing from plotting points. -5 5. So I'm going to be going over to the left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no -5 there, but I can put that there if I want. And then it said up 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's that. And point B. All right. And then point C is at -4 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. Up 1 right here. That's point C. And then if you want to use a straight edge, you can, but we'll just do the best we can here. A straight line from A to B, from B to C, and from C to A. And it says draw the polygon with the given vertices. There it is. That is a triangle. All right, so with 3 points, it's going to have three sides, which is going to be a triangle. Now, we're going to go to red for our second one. And it says D is at -3 2. So I'm just going to come on here. Now, each time you draw one, you're going to use a separate graph on your assignment for each individual problem. But for the purpose of the video, we're going to kind of have some overlapping. That's why we're going to use some different colors. So D is at -3 2, as it said. So I'm going to come over here to the left 3, then up 2, and that's going to be point D. All right. Point E is at -3 5. So I come back to my graph. I go over to the left, -3. Remember that first number is always the x-axis. The second number is always the y-axis, how far up or down. So -3 5. Well, here's over -3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's that point. There is point E. Very good. Now, point F is at 2, 2. So I'm coming over here. It looks like I'm going to be in a different quadrant. Up 2, over 2, up 2. There we go. That's, I guess it's not C. I guess it's F. Let's we'll just do that. Not bad. And then point G is at 2, -1. It says 2, -1. So it's over 2, down 1. And that's point G. So then we use our red marker, connect G and F, connect F and E, connect E and D, connect D and G, and there I kind of see I have a quadrilateral. More specifically, a parallelogram. It's not a rectangle because those aren't right angles, but you get the idea. Okay, let's go ahead and switch out, and let's use blue for our final figure. And it tells us that point H is going to go at -4, -2. So I'm coming over here. I'm going to go left 4, down 2, -4, -2, point H. Point I is at -3, 3.5. -3, 3.5. So I'm going over 3, and I'm going up 1, 2, 3. There's 4. 3.5 is going to be right in the middle. That's point I. All right. Point J is at 2, 3.5. 2, 3.5. Point J, all right, is at 2, 3.5. So I'm going over 2, and then up 1, 2, 3.5. So that's point J. Point K is at 4, 0. 4, 0. Point K is at 4, 0. Over 4, up 0, right there, point K. And the last one, point L, at 1, -4. 1, -4. Point L, over 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4, right there with -4. We'll call that point L. All right, so now I need to connect. Let's get a straight line here as much as we can from L to H. Then we're going to go up from H to I. Then we're going to go straight across from I to J. J down to K. K down to L. It almost kind of just looks like a little five-sided pentagon there with the 5 sides. And the colors helped us to be able to see everything more clearly. All right, and that is drawing the polygon with the given vertices. So basically, it's just an extension of what we did yesterday, graphing ordered pairs, but now there's kind of shapes and things that you're connecting within an ordered pair. All right, we'll talk to you later, 6th grade. Bye.